It was a bright morning in Sunny Meadow. The flowers were stretching, the birds were singing, and Pip the squirrel was already very busy. Everything was normal until the sun felt a tickle. And then... The meadow had never seen a purple day before. Bees bumped into each other, and nothing felt quite right. Just then, Luna the moon cloud floated down from the sky. She was calm, kind, and very wise. Everyone had a job to do. Pip gathered fresh leaves, Bop brought cool pond water. Together, they worked as fast as they could. The sun took a deep breath. Slowly, the light returned, and the meadow began to shine again. The meadow was bright once more. Everything was back to normal, thanks to teamwork and a little kindness. And that's how Sunny Meadow learned that even big problems can be fixed when friends help each other.